Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking basics fast. Enable 60-90 FPS and low latency so inputs register. This matters because precision wins close fights. Once done, bind sprint slide and ADS to reachable buttons and lower sensitivity 10 to 20% for controlled recoil. Equip a lightweight loadout, SMG or shotgun, quick reload perk, and a mobility item like lightweight because speed creates angles. Now move. Practice this opening dash into cover until the muscle memory lets you edge around corners smoothly and confidently. You now execute the core edge technique. Shoulder peek to bait shots, immediately quick ADS to punish. The Y is safety, expose less, trade better. Once done, strafe in uneven rhythms, mixing jump, crouch, and slide to break enemy aim and create shot windows. Control recoil with short bursts or tap fire. Attach muzzle brake or laser to keep hip fire and ADS consistent. Make sure to reset to cover between bursts, reevaluate the angle, and pressure only when you have actionable advantage. Complete the play by dashing slide into cover after your final shot so you avoid immediate trades. This consolidates advantage and buys time to heal or reload. Once done, reposition to a new angle quickly, relying on sound cues and the minimap to predict rotations. This prevents enemies from pre-aiming your previous spot. If your aim feels jittery or inconsistent, lower sensitivity by 5% increments and rehearse short aim drills for 5 minutes. This troubleshooting stabilizes inputs and improves edge technique execution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.